Hello traders! Welcome back ulit dito sa ating YouTube channel. In this video, we will be going to have our stock request session at sasagutin natin or i-analyze natin yung mga requested stocks ninyo posted dito sa ating FB page. You can participate here by mentioning your stocks that you wanted me to analyze for free. So, ayan, kung makikita ninyo, medyo konti lang at wala din mga nagpa-private message sa atin na nagpapasilip ng mga stocks nila. So, this video will be short and quick lang. So, before we start with your individual stocks, let's take a look on how our index is performing last week. And as you can see, medyo nagkakaroon siya ng resistance dito sa may 7,300 level and there is a large possibility na magkaroon ng retracement going back to 7,000 level. So, kagaya na sinabi ko way back last year pa na magkakaroon ng range trade dito as long as the 7,000 holds. And kung hindi to mag-holds, ang pwede mangyari is i-challenge itong minor support here at around 6,900 or MA200 or yung sinasabi nating itong around 6,600 level. Now, on the optimistic side naman, sinasabi ko na kung pwedeng ma-breakout itong 7,500 level na medyo sa tingin ko medyo malabo pa na mangyari because the market or some investors are skeptical on what's happening on the global event, no? So, ayun lang yung masasabi ko, be watch out or watchful dito sa may 7,000 level. Once it break down, MA200 and dito sa may 6,600 level, pwedeng i-challenge yan or pwede mag-sideways lang dito ng for a few weeks or months, no? Hanggang marating yung election 2022, no? So, now, let's talk about your individual stocks. So, let's start with Day A, no? Si Boss David. I hope I pronounced your name correctly. SPNEC. So, I already told you na we have created a video patungkol dito sa SPNEC. Now, if you want to watch it, pwede rin. Doon, mas detailed explanation yun kasi nag-iisang stocks lang yung pinag-usapan natin doon sa previous video natin. However, etong si SPNEC right now, i-summarize ko na lang na if you are trying to buy pa lang ngayon, no, maybe you are too late already. Kasi ang initial entry point namin is around 140, no, 140, 138. So, if you are trying to enter right now, nasa resistance ka na, 156. So, the downside, no, or yung risk na tinatawag, kung bibili ka pa lang, tapos magka-cut loss ka, no? Negative 8%, medyo malalim to for you. So, I think it is not right time for you to chase the stocks already because it has already gone up na. Now, kung kunwari mag-sustain yung 150 pesos per share, pwede ka rin bumili kunwari dito sa 150 pero at a very, very small allocation lang para at least pag nag-cut loss ka, maliit lang kasi all-time high naman to. The potential target prices would be 156, 174 all the way up to 1.91. So, almost 2 pesos, no? Pero, again, kung bibili ka pa lang ngayon, I would not recommend it to you to buy the stock na kasi nga, nagkaroon na ng massive rally. So, the proper entry point for that one would be around 140 or 138 pesos per share. So, kay Boss Jeff naman, NIKL, IMIN MONDE. So, isa-isayin natin yan mamaya. So, with NIKL kasi, the run-up dito, kung makikita nyo, yung 2-day run-up dito, may volume, no? It was because merong news, di ba, about the NIKL na sinare doon sa group natin, no? So, hindi ako mahilig sa news, hindi ako mahilig magbasa ng news, pero I base my analysis first on chart muna. So, if you will try to draw a trend line here, no? Kung makikita mo, merong sabihin natin merong confluence, no, ng resistance dito, and resistance dito. Now, if you will try to let me analyze yung ending candle niya, which is wala namang ganong volume, pero pangit yung naging ending candle niya, which is hanging man to, di ba? Na napag-usapan natin, and if you haven't buy my book, di ba, meron akong sinulat doon, the differentiation of hammer and hanging man. So, hindi ko na masyado may discuss dito yun kasi mahaba yun. So, in this particular picture or structure, alam natin na hanging man to. And maybe, just maybe, the trend is not sustainable, not unless, no, exception to the rule, ma-breakout niya itong area na ito, no? So, kung makikita nyo, if you will try to draw somewhere here, meron tayong makikitang resistance na tumutugma din sa area na ito. So, expect a heavy resistance around 570 area, no? Or 575, mga ganon. Kasi, pwedeng i-max out mo hanggang dito, aabot ng 5.75 yan. So, yun lang yung ano. So, kung nagbabalak ka palang bumili, pwede kang humabol or pwede kang bumili once this area is broken. Now, you will consider also yung ibang watchlist mo. Halimbawa, meron kang SPNEC, meron kang ibang stocks na pinanghahawakan. So, you have to observe din kung sino yung may largest potential to give you the best reward or best opportunity relative sa risk, no? And with that being said, kung mapag-usapan natin yung risk, ang reward mo dito kay nickel is around 10% lang. Maximum yan kasi meron tayong major resistance somewhere here dito sa may 634. And your downside risk is malaki kasi nga merong resistance somewhere here and here, 'di ba? So medyo sa tingin natin na pwedeng pwedeng bumagsak siya tapos mag-form ng greater structure, I mean it takes time, no, for nickel to clean up its charts, no. So kung makikita mo medyo kalat-kalat, medyo so yun lang yung masasabi ko kay nickel. Be aware lang na meron resistance somewhere here. Pag hindi yan nag-hold, pwede magkaroon ng retracement. Kapag na-breakout yan, you have to consider is 10% is enough for you, 'di ba? So sa mga nakabili dito sa mababa, I don't think mabibili mo yan sa mababa kasi wala naman ako nakikitang entry point dito sa somewhere at 5 pesos per share. Pero however, kung nakabili ka sa 5 pesos, meron kang sariling trading methodology, then good for you kasi you are now enjoying around 15% gain. No? So yun lang yung masasabi ko kay nickel. Now let's talk about IMI rin kasi itong si IMI also merong relationship, no? May konti kasi electronic vehicle to, 'di ba? Tapos meron ding news na related din sa electronic vehicle na na-share sa group natin. So, with that being said, kung makikita mo, if we will try to apply the same principle, no, the trend line principle, kung makikita mo, merong nangyaring breakout dito, which is kung magdodraw tayo ng horizontal resistance dito, dapat we have bought somewhere dito sa area ng 9.10 pesos per share. Ayan, no? 9.10, 9.15, it doesn't matter, depende kung saan ka komportable, no? So, if you bought somewhere here, 'di ba? Meron kang around 9% na profit, no? So, kung ganyan. Kasi itong trend line natin medyo hindi pa to straight pero kung i-straight natin 'yan, ayan, banda rito 'yan, no? Ayan. Makikita mo, halos sakto din. Nagko-confluence din siya. So, ayan. So, medyo di lang straight kanina, kaya medyo malayo ng kaunti. Pero, okay lang yan. So, this one is a strong trend line kasi challenge number 1, 2, and 3. And pang-apat dito. So, at least 3, di ba? Ang tinuturo ko sa inyo. Kapag nagdodraw kayo ng trend line, at least connect the dots of 3, no? Na significant highs. Again, significant highs. Hindi lang basta-bastang high. Okay? So, ayun. So, now, if you bought somewhere here, diba, you have a potential opportunity to make money of around 28 or 30%. However, bago mo marating yung 28% na yan, marami kang makakabanggang mga resistance. Isa na rito, yung resistance somewhere here, na kung makikita mo, nag-close, diba, near the resistance of 9.83 or 85. Yan yung unang resistance. Pangalawa is somewhere here. Pangatlo is somewhere here, 'di ba? So, nakikita nyo, maraming resistance, maraming babanggain. So, if you bought somewhere here, kung talagang strong conviction ka, you will have enjoyed 8%. And hindi to pa sigurado kung magtutuloy, no? Hindi pa to sigurado. Kung pwede magkaroon ng retracement, yung 8% mo pwedeng bumaba, less the commission charges. So, you have to think out of it, no? Yung pinag-usapan natin, yung opportunity. Kung makikita mo kanina, opportunity is 30%. However, yung risk, di ba? Or yung probability rate din na ma-hit niyo yung 30% is likely very small lang, no? Tapos, meron pang IPO on Monday, si HTI. So, more likely the market will concentrate there, di ba? So, pag nag-concentrate yung market there, some of the traders will take their profit from IMI, from SPNEC, and hindi natin masabi. So, it will cause the stocks to go down. Then, focus sila kay HTI for that 1 week. Then, for another week, focus naman sila kay Figaro. So, di ba, makikita nyo yun. Yung ganun kayo dapat mag-analyze. So, for example, however, kunwari, mag-breakout to, it will challenge the 1050, meron ka ng 15%. Tapos 10.92 or 10.9 all the way up dito sa may 11.7. However, again, the risk is there. The opportunity is good pero I would not consider it for now muna. So, kung nabili ka dito sa 9.10, congrats sa'yo. Pero kung hindi, at bala ka palang bumili, I think stay on the sidelines lang muna kasi medyo nagkaroon na ng run up, no? So, kung mapapansin mo si NIKL, ganun din, no? So, ayan. So, however, si NIKL, medyo good pa to. Kahit 10% to, mas malaki yung probability. Pero again, based on the ending structure, dito naman siya nahihinder or inaano. Now, let's talk about MONDE, your last stock, no?
Happy New Year from Millennial Trader. We really wish that you will do great in your trading career. Stay healthy, more green port and less ipit stocks for this year 2022. Alam naman natin na hindi naging maganda ang bungad ng ating taong ito, year 2022, because of the sudden increase of Omicron cases. And I have seen many businesses failed, some of them recovered, but majority did not able to bounce back. At marami din sa kanila ang sinubukang pasukin ang larangan ng trading. Alam kong hindi may madali itong piniling journey ninyo because I know that you will experience some down quarters, net losses, at kung malala, minsan masusunog at maiipit pa yung hawak ninyong stock. That is why many of you are coming to me and asking kung meron ba akong mentorship program, kung pwede ko ba silang maturuan or mag-guide man lang. And the very least that I could do is to teach you for free sa ating YouTube platform and Facebook platform. Today, I am officially announcing that our registration for intensive training and mentorship program is now open. What will you be learning from us kung itatanong ninyo sa akin? First, you will learn the proper principles on how you can effectively trade in the market. You will be learning on how you can be one of the consistently profitable trader. And also, I will be personally guiding you on how you can spot a bagger stocks. Alam na mga alumni natin yan. And you can ask them how we are able to ride those bagger stocks way back last year 2020 at the height of the pandemic. We are able to maximize the profits from ASEN, DITO, Cebu Pacifics, and alike. And last year lang, year 2021, we're able to ride GMA7, ABA, APVI, OLD, no? Yung mga yan, all of them produced of not less than 50% in gain. So, lahat yon 50% above na sakyan namin, na spot namin before nagkaroon ng massive rally. We are confident to the extent that we can offer a money-back guarantee if after the mentorship program, your trading performance doesn't improve after you have followed the details of what we have taught you, or if we fail to spot at least a stock that produces a 50% or above gain. Grab this opportunity because once a year ko lang itong ginagawa, itong mentorship program na ito. For those who are interested, you can go into the description box below, click the link and register. Make sure that you pass the screening exam to qualify. Good luck and God bless. See you at the top.
So, MONDE kasi, kung makikita mo, ang pinaka-strongest resistance niya is 17 pesos per share. Na which is, no, nagkaroon na naman ng breakout dito. So, ito yung pinaka-strongest support or resistance. Ngayon, ang babantayan natin kung mag-hold tong 17. Kasi kung hindi, kung makikita mo, again we apply the same principle of downtrend line. Ang pinaka-maximum na pwede niyang ikarating is around 17.8. So, if bibili ka pa lang ngayon, no, kunwari, bibili ka pa lang, is 4% or 5% is attractive for you. Less the commission charges of brokerage. So, 2%. So, around you take home mo, malinis, 3%. So, with that being said, compare mo yung risk mo, relative sa reward, 3%. Masaya ka na ba sa 3%? Sa pagod mo, sa oras mo na mag-analyze, magbantay, etc. etc. So, if 3% you're happy from that, then take that trade. Pero ako, I do not have time to monitor that kind of trade, 3%. Ang minimum ko nga, at least 10% So, with that being said, ayoko. I think pass ako dito kay MONDE. However, kung meron kang, again, sariling trading methodology mo and Kung sa tingin mo ma-breakout ni Monde itong 17.8, then go ahead, no? Kasi kapag na-breakout nga, meron namang another resistance at 18.62 all the way up 19.43 dito sa hanggang sa 20.26, and the reward is very high naman kung kunwari clean breakout and etc at pumabor sa atin yung market. However, the signals that the chart is giving to us is medyo mahina, no, for now, and pwedeng pag na-hit niya itong highs na ito 17.8, babagsak ulit, i-challenge yung 17 pesos per share all the way up 16.2 all the way dito sa may 15.45. Now, the one thing that you should focus on is itong 14.75 na once na breakdown niya ito, pwede mag-create ng series of lower lows or lower highs. So kapag nag-breakdown siya, pwedeng tumuloy-tuloy ito, i-challenge yung IPO price, no? So for that being said, kung may shorting lang dito sa Pilipinas, pwede mong i-short to. However, walang shorting. So, yun lang yung masasabi ko with Monde. I hope I answered your questions clearly, no? So, next thing, we talk about SGP, no, kay Boss Noel and MREIT. Etong si SGP kasi, I really don't like na this stock. Tapos, with current structure niya, no, hindi pa ganun kaganda, no? So, as you can see, challenge na niya yung around sa may 12.6, 12.75 or 12 pesos area, which is the opening price dito, diba, during the FOO. And right now, medyo nahihirapan siya na ma-maintain yung 13 pesos per share na area, na which is very critical din yung 13 pesos. So, with that being said, I don't think na you have a good entry point. Not unless kung meron kang FOO shares neto na hindi mo pa nabenta, then you are thinking of taking some profit kahit maliit na lang or break even, at least hindi ka patalo. Or if you have bought it somewhere here dito sa top, medyo malaki yung talo mo, okay? Same thing with KEEPR. So I will just show you quickly, no, kahit hindi mo siya ni-request. So si KEEPR nag-FOO ng around 1.5 pesos per share. So once it break down dito sa may 1.5 pesos per share dito sa area na ito, kung makikita mo, tumuloy-tuloy siya at i-challenge niya itong 115 pesos per share, yung lowest point niya. However, for the past week, no, or for the past 5 days, nagkaroon ng massive rally, gaining you ay 20%. Nag-form siya ng V formation, no, na which is hindi mo siya, very hard for you to detect the entry point or itong rally na ito. So, if you have a strategy or methodology na kayang ma-detect yung ganitong trend, then good for you and congrats kung nasakyan mo ito. So, for your last stock, MREIT, no? Si MREIT is very, easy to analyze. You have just to buy on the resistance, no? For example, may resistance somewhere here, 'di ba? Kung maalala nyo, may mga nagre-request sa akin ng MREIT, 'di ba? Parang nabanggit ko sa inyo, buy on the resistance. So, if you buy on the breakout dito sa resistance, I think you have made a handsome money, no, or handsome profit. For example, 6%, 7%. So, again, nagkaroon ng dito, consolidation. You can buy somewhere here at the breakout, no? Or, kung gusto mo, breakout buy ka, tapos dagdag ka pa dito. Pwede rin. Nasa inyo yun. Again, it is based on your risk appetite. Pero ako, dito lang ako bibili. Dito ako magsisimulang bumili sa baba. Okay? So, if you bought another here, tapos nagkaroon ng massive rally, tapos medyo binentahan, no, on the last day sa Friday dahil siyempre baka nagkakaroon ng panic, Friday rule, mga ganyan. So if you just follow the trading plan, no, na bumili ka from here, you have just gained around maximum 26% or around 18 or 20%, 'di ba? Malapit. Pero kung tatanungin mo pa lang ako na, sir, bibili pala ako ngayon, I don't think na this is the right time for you to buy. Again, you just have to wait for a proper entry point. Katulad neto, may mga proper entry point tayo na may execute natin yung buying parameters natin. So, ayun lang. I hope you learn a lot from this short discussion and wishing you all the best for our trading journey this year 2022 and good luck sa mga kumuha ng HTI IPO for Monday. So, good night and God bless.